Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. So today I will be doing a review on the Boxful of Glam. I ordered mine almost 2 weeks ago and there was some problem. I made the payment and they say they haven't received my payment. I had to send them proof of payment and then only they processed the order. So that was about a delay of about 3 days. So initially it took about a week and 3 days to get here. And my box arrived quite late last night, so I tried to make a video, but I was so tired and I looked so terrible, so I thought I'd just do one this morning. And I'm really excited to show you guys what is inside, so let's have a look. So this is the box. It's Boxful of Glam and it's a mystery box. You're supposed to receive 5 luxury products inside and full size, so let's see what's inside. Just get this open. Okay. Wow. Okay. So this is a product by Benefit. It's the Bag Girl Bang. It's mascara. I look forward to trying this. This is a lipstick by Sephora in the color Ruby, I think it is. Ruby Luster. Nice. This is a translucent powder. Okay. I'm not really sure what this is. It's a Fizzing Star Beach Vibes. I'll need to find out what that is. This is a lip kit by Kylie. Velvet lip kit, and the color they don't. I'm not sure if that's the name of the color, probably. And the last product that's in here is the Pluris, and this is a Magic Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Cool. So as you guys can see, I did receive 5 products, all full size, which is awesome. And this is probably a sample product, but I don't even know what this is. If anyone knows what this is, please comment below and let me know. And also for myself, let me turn the camera around. So for me, I would definitely give the box a thumbs up. I think that it is value for money. Just to give a bit more info on that, I paid 850 rands for the box, and the value of the products, here is a paper over here that gives us kind of the value, and it's up to 2,777 rand, the value of the products that was inside, so that's quite worth it considering how much I paid for it. I purchased mine from Zando, and like I explained, there was a bit of a delay in terms of them receiving my payment and things, so it took about plus minus almost 2 weeks to get here, if you exclude the weekend. But this is definitely, I think, value for money, and I would like to try out some of the products, and let me know if you guys think this box is value for money. But let's get to trying the products. guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Just my opinion regarding the box itself. It's really value for money because the products that is in there is worth way more than what I paid for it. It's almost 4 times more value than what I paid for it, so that's quite awesome. On the lipstick, I like it. On myself, not too sure because, like I said, I have quite thin lips. I don't know if the bold, maybe I'm just self-conscious about the boldness of the color, like accentuating the thin top lip. So I'm not too confident in the red. However, it feels quite great. It's not very dry, so it's matte, but it's not crazy drying your lips, which I like. Just with regards to the powder and the priming cream or water cream, I'm not too sure which one it is. It's causing a bit of creasing under my eyes. I don't know if you guys can see. Look up. If you guys can see, there's a bit of creasing here. So I'm not too happy about that because I mean it kind of accentuates like wrinkles, whatever, or gives the appearance of wrinkles rather. So I'm not too keen on that, which is a bit disappointing because I think the look overall looks quite great. So I'm not sure if that was the translucent powder's fault or the priming cream's fault that's causing a bit of creasing. But furthermore, I think the products were quite great. The lashes I love. For someone who doesn't wear falsies all the time, I think this looks quite great. I love it. It's nice and long. It looks thick and full. So definitely thumbs up to the mascara and the lipstick as well. Like I said, it felt good putting on the priming cream. I'm not too sure if it's causing creasing though. And then with regards to the translucent powder, I also don't know whether it's causing creasing. Don't know if you can see on my forehead. A little bit of creasing as well. I don't know whether it's the powder or the priming cream. However, overall I think it looks quite good. And yeah, so let me know if you guys would invest in a box. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching guys, and catch me on the next video.